So I am currently at the Just for Fun meet. No one's here yet. We came here too fast or too early because it is raining and driving with these art comps had to go pretty slow. It was going like 50 on the freeway, but I do not recommend driving with these in the rain. And my brother's cleaning his windows. Now it's raining for everybody. Came too early, but it's okay. I gotta fix my parking though. Kind of parked out, but we're just gonna wait for everybody else to come in because there's no one here right now besides me and my brother. But damn, he brought his car out to me. Like, you know how crazy that is? Like, but it's been 3 years. Like, he's normally the one that always takes me to meets, or like we'll go meets together. But that was when I had the 4-door. And now, pulled this car out. Damn, his windows are hella foggy. And I hear somebody over there. I think so. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for everybody else to come. And hope you guys enjoy this video. I know you guys have been enjoying a lot of videos of this me kicking in, always me working my car. So thank you guys very much for all the support and watching the videos. So hope you guys like this video. I always try to bring you guys the best cars that you can find in SoCal. And a lot of people think of SoCal as in LA area, but no, we're talking about San Diego. This is all the San Diego homies. Some people are coming out from LA and everything up north because yeah, just for fun. Check them out on Instagram and their YouTube channel, and stay tuned for everything else that comes up after this clip. I'm gonna be filming and live streaming this for you guys. Like, you guys see this? Oh my god, that's fucking obnoxious. Yeah, buddy comes back to sick, but fuck, dude. Dude, look, you guys hear that? Man, come on. Oh, that is asshole's car. That is asshole's car. Yeah, boys, look at that. Damn, boy. Good, everybody. Keep the live stream? Dude, I'm trying to film though. You know how hard this is? Yeah, boy. Yeah, fuck you.
Damn, you brought your car too?
Dude, I couldn't go 50, man.
Really?
Yeah, I was hydroplaning. Hey, fuck your exhaust.
Hi.
Fuck your exhaust.
Fuck.
We got Billson right there. He bought my buddy club seat. We got oh, Ethan's here too. Yeah, they won. Yeah. Alright, you can take over the live. Alright. Thanks. Come down, peoples. Damn, look at this boy. Hi. Damn, you drove with those? Hey. Are you good? Fuck it, you're good. There we go. Not alone anymore. Yo, I was alone. I was alone, man. Huh? Yeah, are you still live streaming? Yeah, I'm still. Look at this, man. Oh! No, he turned off his lights. It's in his trunk. Volume are lit. Yo, it's a Scion, bro. It's like EV.
Tell me why this thing reminds me of something like hella 90s, the Sparko seats, the Torino.
Yeah. Dude, remember when I had a set of these?
My midlife crisis 09.
These XX?
That's one of the seats they probably that's so throwback.
Super clean.
I got that a long time ago.
Where'd you get it?
Yeah, James put in one of the nice.
Well, that's actual shape.
He's gonna go K-swap. I don't know what it has. Oh my god, hit you.
Wait, no heater?
This one's, yeah, no heater. This one's case off though. Look at this boy, boy.
What's up, Toby?
Hi. Is that?
That's Devin.
It's Davin, dude. How many SC1000s do you have?
Just this one.
What money, man? But it's hard to meet people. Like everybody's all friendly there, you know. Well, is that Joey? Wait, is that Joey? Oh, you told me. Oh damn, stunning.
You're stunning. That's no 85. Oh, Joey, huh?
Oh yeah, Joey. What happened? No, dude, that would suck. That would really suck. Not ready for that. C28. It is turbo too. What? Hold up. This is actually the guy that gave me the rear panels. He never brings his car out, so we're all like amazed. It's cool seeing people that don't come out and pick it. So and it does have full seats on interior. 212.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's barred too.
You got shot at.
What?
Oh, what kind of link is that?
Original SI? What are you fuckboys doing?
Excuse me, you're the fuckboy with your fuckboy camera. You buckle Tommy in the.
Stop, guys. You guys are embarrassing me.
It's okay.
Parking lot is full, almost. Yeah, K's going in this shit. What are you talking about? You already have a K. I'll give you one. Oh, okay.
I don't even use it.
I know, I don't even use them either. That's
If you clean it real slow before, you can look at that. Are you leaving?
Yeah, I'm in it. I have an hour and a half drive.
there it is. That's it. Did you see my VTEC Live video? Yeah. Oh, fuck boys at the gas station?
Dude, Bobby's famous.
Oh, you're talking shit about his bumper? I was talking about his bumper or whatever. Yeah. You leaving?
Yeah, it's almost. It's
No, I'm
already
not gonna
11.
see you for like another 5 years.
It's already 11.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'll probably head out in a bit. Doing a quick walk around before heading out. record before we head out. What up? What up? Look at this. Look at this. Slam on tea for bag. Just nice. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. This guy's famous for his photography. Yo, this guy, this is Lee. I can't tag his Instagram, but this is Lee. This is the guy that's the MVP over at Honda, man. So drop your comments down below. Say thank you very much to Lee. This is the guy that hooks it up at Honda, but I can't put his Instagram just so you guys don't, you know. But yeah.
What's going on? Hey.
This guy's actually famous on my channel.
Oh, really?
They're like, hey, this is up to Lee, the MVP over at Honda, because he works at Honda. This is gorgeous, actually. I wouldn't mind owning an Evil 10. Oh, my bad. What the fuck is this? What? Someone put a bottle on my dust.
I'll head out.
Alright, that's it, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, my asshole.
Whoa,
This is his car, asshole. This is gorgeous. Racing Heart.
He restored the trans, he grew it. I gave him